Switching over to Quant Hour now, where we're trading Apex funded accounts. We have taken some trades already. The market has been a little bit tricky today, so it had a bit of a sell-off. Had this trend line. Let's see if we can fix it. Where it was bouncing off of, like this. We had some areas of support identified, and right now market is looking for some kind of maybe a bounce. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna go further down, retest these lows. I'm up about. All right, so I'm up $488 on this account. About to stop trading it, but look at this. Just. Alright, I'm stuck in this other trade here. Let's see if we can somehow manage it. So I was looking for a breakout here, just missed my fill here. Again, the market has not been good to me today. You know, I had some wins, but mostly I had to work really hard for them, and just there were some losses as well on some of my take profit traders accounts. So just looking to see if we can get out of here. I mean, it could go either way. My hope was that we finished this downtrend. We had this double bottom here. And now we're going to be going, you know, upwards. It's kind of wishful thinking here. I mean, we could be bull flagging here, who knows? We did it certainly here. All right, so we had bull flag up. And another bull flag up. So far I could just, I have two minis here. I could highlight this AOS here. We're likely to come down here. We also have, you know, some stops to be run over here. And we certainly have area of support right here. So like this area. Maybe even lower like this. We'll see what the turnout will be like. Still aiming for this market to go a little higher. Take out some stops so up on top here. Maybe we'll get out with a little bit of break even here. And then just see if we could get a better setup. All right, we're up $488 on another account. Which I'm happy about. Okay, let's see. We're just waiting here to see what the market gives us. Okay, see some kind of upward movement here. All right. Just not going higher. Very hesitant. Yeah, so I'm not too optimistic. So I feel like there's just not enough squeezing going on here. If there was some squeezing going on, the market would just keep going higher at a faster rate. It's very hesitant here, so I feel like it might still go down lower, you know, to get the best liquidity, I guess. I mean, look, this area right here, 24,700. That's like another 200-point drop. Like, the market probably wants to go to these areas right here. So yeah, so I might want to finish up soon. Okay, we're out of one. Went past me by a point. Okay, so maybe let's see if we could get out at a break even with this trade. Come on, go a little higher. I mean, it is 1 o'clock almost, so... Alright, we're out here. Oh, negative. Okay. I don't want to chase the market, really, but... Okay. See if we get a little trade here. I mean, this stops right here up on top, so I'm going to target that area. That's like... But yeah. It hasn't been easy trading today. Waits for so long to get this trade, and then at the end I'm actually lower than I expected. The market needs to go higher, otherwise it's just dragging here. I'm gonna be stuck another, you see. Took me so long to get this, and now I'm already down $100. Okay, I'm in. Yeah, the sell-offs are just more aggressive than buying, right? Look at the sell-off, like bam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row. Nobody's buying anything here. Get 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 candles, red candles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess we'll get another fifth one right here. They're all very aggressive. Okay. Not sure why I'm trading this account. I thought I was done with it, but I guess. Okay. 565. It's not worth the risk. The market is just so volatile. Look, I'm already down $700. Incredible. I'm gonna blow this account real fast now at this rate. You can easily blow an account here. Alright, so what is the market trying to do? It's probably bear flagging again now. It's probably gonna go down to here somewhere. That's another 10-point drop with 2 minis. It's just too much. It's just ATR is just too high to be trading minis with such small accounts. Okay, there we are. See, when it creates this kind of drops, rapid drops, that just traps all the longs, right? And then gives fuel to go down. Only hope is, some shorts are gonna decide to close their trades down here and then give some kind of a impetus to Nasdaq go higher. But right now, I mean, it just trapped all these longs up here, as you can see with my other trade there. And now it's kind of bear flagging to go lower. Like it could certainly go down this way. Like if it breaks. All right. Okay, see? Shorts are working. Until they're not, of course. And then once we break this area, it's gonna flush down to, we have at least 10 points here of downside. Unless bulls can do some kind of a reversal sequence here. Which I've yet to see. So I might try to do the same thing like I did last time. Go down. Okay. There's that short again. Okay. Up $667 on this trade. On this account, excuse me. Like I could totally break down right now. And just flush down this way. It's kind of how I see it. See, I think we're gonna get a little bit of a sell-off to the downside here. Okay, we're in for the short. Okay. Okay. Nice scalp there for the short. I mean, if I was to catch a long, I'd catch it like here. Right. And this AOS that we identified. I mean, I feel like if it rips higher, we can rip higher from here. Okay. For a little bounce. So see if we catch a little bounce here. 11 ticks. See. Sellers are still strong. They're still pushing down to the AOS. Well, the market just wants to take out the liquidity down here. There's definitely stops down there. Alright, let's see what happens here. $50-50, huh? We have room to the upside, we have room to the downside. I'm gonna set that trade down there for the management. Okay, we're out of this trade. Kind of too early to do this, but I feel like if we are bouncing here, we got all these wicks. We certainly have room to go up to here. Maybe I was wrong. Ouch. We're still going down. I guess we're still making this bear flag. I should probably get my... Right. Already breaking down this bear flag. Might get some aggressive selling now. Come on. Push up a little higher. Come on. Retest that bear flag. Okay. We're gonna get a two-legged pullback or what? We haven't had much luck with two-legged pullbacks today, right? So we had 1, 2, and then kind of stuck here. Well, 58. I guess we get like 8 points at most. So, yeah, cannot expect too much from two-legged pullbacks today. Okay. See if we get maybe some squeezing over here. I mean, there's probably a lot of people shorting this bear flag. Okay. One leg. We're up $812 in this account today. I think it's a good time to stop, right? Let's see what we have going on over here. So we have, I mean, are we just retesting this and just gonna keep going lower? I don't know. Sellers are very aggressive here today. I really wanted to go back up to the top there. This account is probably smoked. Unless we catch like a two-legged pullback or something. Things are not looking great in this account. Okay. Sellers are pushing through. Okay, and no, not great. Come on, let's hope that this is the last push down and it just reverses to the top and we have a full reverse sequence. I doubt it. I think price is gonna want to go down to like 700s. Most likely, that's where I see it going. Yep. Okay, we're done with this account. Liquidation. It's a 25k account. It's just not made to trade. Alright, I'm glad I stopped trading the other account, where we made $800 something. Okay. Glad. I am really tempted to go in right now. There's definitely some room for the upside. Trying to trade my 150k account now on Topstep. This is a nice sell-off. I feel like we might get some action to the upside now. Up about 200 bucks on my other account. On my Topstep. Alright, just keep strapping now, the shorts, huh? Feel like adding. I see. So we have one leg. So okay, we got one leg. We might get a second leg soon. Got a little bit of a pullback here. Gonna see if I could take this on a my funded futures eval. We have a two-legged pullback. They haven't been working that great today, so all right, I'm in on my funded futures, just with some micros. Just trying to see if we get some longs to work out here. Market's not letting anyone celebrate a victory yet. Let's see this sell-off. 821, a 20-point sell-off. Not huge, but something. I'm gonna remove this blown 25K account just so that doesn't bother my eyes. For my P&L, you guys all saw it. I didn't hide anything. Okay. Just gonna leave the green one on for now. That's what I like to see for now. And I'm also out of this one trade. Great. Okay. It's beautiful. Okay. So just made about $650 on my Topstep 150K account. That's good enough for today. This market is still in this downtrend, so I'm not expecting much from it in terms of upward motion. Trying to manage a trade here for my funded futures. I placed some longs there. I exited out. Now I have 8 micros on the line there. Trying to see how that plays out. Now it's 7. Just got out of 1. If you want, I can try to show it to you. Nope. 1 second. Alright, Nasdaq is somewhat bull flagging here. US stocks rise as investors eye keep upcoming data, possible government shutdown. Uh-oh, that's not good. Alright, let's see. Okay. Let me just quickly change the screen to the chart, trade away chart. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. Doesn't want to show my trade away chart. Alright, I'm just gonna monitor my trade this way. So we had this bull flag sort of broke out. Now we're just going down this channel. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can show you the trade I'm in right now. Okay. Why does it have to? Oh. Guess I could do a better job like this. Hope you guys could see this. Alright, so I got 7 micros. I just started, because of volatility, I just was doing started to do micros. I'm already up on this account nicely, so I just wanted to do some micros, like I said. And catch, you know, because it's just so volatile. Minis is just too much. Can still do some damage, not as much obviously, but still a pretty thing when it happens. I mean, this was very volatile here. We went from 840 to, oh my god, I just added. I got distracted here. Okay, I added. I was aiming for a breakout, but you know, when you have a soup of a sea of all these orders, it's hard to see what's going on. All right, so let's see if we could just do one by one. Navigate this chop. I'm just gonna let it ride for a little bit. I mean, this is still a valid trade to the upside. All right, here you go. We have room to go higher. Just gonna DC into it because this is just micros, not minis. Even with micros, it's been kind of hectic lately. Nasdaq's been moving so much in different directions and has been pretty unpredictable. Like here, I was doing a breakout trade, got stuck in it, had to wait. What? A 50-point drop. 50 points. That's a lot. There we go. There's another one. Come on, like, it's crazy. Having this kind of sell-offs, just very hard to manage. I mean, our trade was kind of over, so should have not been. I guess I should have exited that trade faster, because we did our breakout trade. It was right here, right? Broke out. We're done. See, maybe we can just get out of it now. See buyers stepping in. Let's see if buyers can prove themselves. Let me see if I can fix the window for you. All right, this is much better, right? Okay. Let me fix it so you can see my P&L. Okie dokie. What's our ATR for the day? Does anyone know? Let's take a look. I like to know for at least 5 minutes, see where we stand. All right, it's about 26. I mean, it's reasonable. 23, 26. It's pretty reasonable. All right, let's take a look what the market did today. Just kind of sold off. All right, trapped all the longs and just drowned everyone here. Yeah, that's tough to trade like this. I mean, this AOS area works. Great. We'll see. Maybe we could just jump out of here. I mean, we're still staying under this moving average. Excuse me. Let's take a look. What we have. Simple moving average. 14. I mean, we're gonna try to push up against this moving average, but we keep finding resistance there. We really need to break out. So in order to lose that resistance, we need to go above 870, right? And that's why we'll realize, okay, bull's in control. But at the moment, just kind of boring action here. Nor here nor there. All right, I think I'm gonna start calling it a day. See if I can get out of this trade soon. Maybe do a recap video. Okay, we're out of some trades here. Mostly break even here. I want to help this trade to kind of close faster, so I'm going to see if I can add to this position. Come on, go higher. You could do it. Okay, good. This is really slow. Wait, we're gonna have Trump speaking soon, right? Okay, when is Trump speaking? At 1:15. Oh wow, he started talking already, huh? Should probably get out. I don't want to be there while he's speaking. Come on. Get me out of here. Get me out of this trade. Go long. Go high. Can you imagine? Market dumps 300 points if Trump just says something right now. Would not be a fan of that. Okay, I should have just hit exit all at the time. Come on. Watch the market just flushes now. All right, we're up about 850. Let's see if we can maintain that or give it all back to the market. Okay, let's work our way back into this channel and just close me out. Go to the top. Come on. You can do it. Let me check what the stocks are doing today. Flat. Stock market is flat pretty much. Pharmaceuticals are down. Berkshire Hathaway is down. Energy is down. Retails are not doing great either. The only stock that's up somewhat is Nvidia, which I kind of don't care about. Yeah, it's not looking great here for the stock market, except just Nvidia. Nvidia just keeps scaring the market. This Nasdaq. Wherever Nvidia goes, that's where Nasdaq goes. Seems like. My goodness, what happened there? Wow. Trump is probably saying more tariffs. That's gonna bring our inflation down. No, it's not. Very inflationary stuff he's doing, which is causing havoc across the market and the job market too. Okay, there's that sell-off. Must be saying something. Oh man, it couldn't just knock me out, could it? Look at this, it's just complete nonsense. I want to be out. Market, I said I was done for the day. Please. There you go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God, it's so hard to make $3. Look at this. I was down $50 in seconds. DCAing, trying to get better price. And now I can't even go to break even. This is crazy. Come on, market. Keep going. Look, broke even down. Broke even down. Go higher. Come on. There you go. Show me that bull flag. Thank you. Can you take me higher? Nice. Oh my goodness, finally. Look. How about the last one? You forgot something. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's crazy. Come on, get me out. I'm just gonna get myself out. $906, okay? Why do I hear trades being executed somewhere? Am I getting echo? I am, right? Just echo. I mean, I'm hoping we're sort of doing some kind of bull flag here. Okay. I'll take that. All right, gonna go long. Just gonna do some mini scalps here with micro scalps, excuse me. Just got a lot of movement here within this channel. Don't really see anything here just yet. gonna just scalp this like long red candles. There you go. Wish these were minis. Imagine. I'm not allowed to use minis on this account. I forgot. This is the funded account. I'm only allowed to trade like one mini. Looks like we're gonna want to break out of here. I really feel like that's possible. I'm gonna go on that notion. Like it could just rip up. Okay, we're in. Yep. Just felt like it was gonna go higher. I don't know if it's gonna reach my target. Maybe I'll bring it closer a little bit just in case this is a failed. Okay, no, we got it. All right, I should have kept it a little longer, huh? Okay, I think I should stop trading for the day. All right, we don't know what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna go higher if we break out. 1, 2. I mean, this was the breakout trade. 33. We got 6, 7 points. May come down after this, but I think it's better I take a break. Kind of tired and hungry. This was a tricky day today. What can I say? I think there were a couple of, well, definitely like 2 or 3 blown accounts on Take Profit Trader. I also, I have another live stream. So I have this live stream and I have another live stream before that that's gonna get posted. I think it's taking, YouTube is processing it, so it should come out the next couple hours or a day or two. Who knows? But usually within 24 hours it should be posted. Today's Monday, September 29th, around 1:40 p.m. I mean, just tempted to go long here for retest. But as I'm saying, I think I should probably stop before I get into some silly trade. And it is very tempting. Market is going up and down, and there's no clear direction. It's still kind of in a range, and when it drops, and well, I think the right word is it traps you a lot, right? So you don't want to be in the market where it traps you a lot. You want to be in a kind of a more smooth, fluid market where you know what's happening, you know what to expect. Here it's just very hard to expect something out of the market, and I think I'm just going to take it easy here. Well, pretty much the accounts that I think I traded all of my accounts today, and some of them are profitable, some of them are blown. So we definitely blew one Apex account, 25k Apex account. It just could not survive this kind of volatility today. And with my fund futures, we did okay. We did well with Topstep. We did half and half on Take Profit Trader. I think 2 accounts are in profit, and then I think I blew 2 or 3 accounts there. So one was eval, and I think 2 were funded accounts. So I feel bad about those. We are going to just continue working on improving our strategy here in risk management. I think given the recent volatility, it's best to trade maybe micros instead of minis. So I recommend doing that. Okay. All right, traders, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm trade live Monday through Friday. All right. Have a great day. Bye. Bye.